we lived in a house with my mother and father and her parents, my grandparents, Gussie and Jaime Kritzman. And my father was George Gilman, and my mother, of course, was Sadie Kritzman Gilman. And living together with my grandparents was wonderful because they spoke Yiddish in addition to English. And it gave me the opportunity to be able to not converse, but understand a lot. And the best thing about it was I began singing when I was 5 years old. God didn't give me much of a body as far as height is concerned, but God gave me this 6-foot voice in a 4'9" eventually adult body. And so they taught me Yiddish songs, and they would bring me to their organization that they belonged to, which was the Chudnover KUD. These were all my grandmother's friends. They were lovely women. They were all from Russia. Both grandparents on both sides were from Russia. And they would stand me on a chair because I was so teeny tiny at 5. And I would sing, Scha, still, mach nicht kein Gerede, der Rebbe geht schon tanzen wieder. Scha, still, mach nicht kein Gewalt, der Rebbe geht schon tanzen bald. And everybody would kvell. So that was a great benefit to me, because later on I became a professional singer, and very successful one. And I had the opportunity to perform my one-woman show many, many, many times at resort hotels. And at the time, the Catskill Mountain resort hotels, the Concord, Brosingers, Kutcher's, Raleigh. I mean, there were 100 places to perform, and most of the audiences, they were mostly Jewish, and so I was a trained classical singer, and I would sing songs in different languages, 8 languages, and didn't speak them, but I sang them, and part of that was Yiddish and Hebrew, and all the shtickler, and not too many opera singers were able to do that. So I combined the two, and it was a very potent combination.